Hi, good afternoon, one and all. So today we are going to discuss about electric field. Electric field at a point on a equatorial line of dipole. So, so briefly I explained previous topic. Once again revise or revision or remember dipole. Dipole means what? The set of two charges. What type of charges? Equal and opposite charges. Positive charge and negative charge, which are separated by a small distance, is called dipole. So it is center of the dipole. What is the length of the dipole? 2a. From here to here, 2a. So half of the distance is a. Remaining half of the distance is a. So from here to here a. From here to here a only. So this is electric dipole. So now equatorial line. So previous question is axial line. Axial line means what? The line which is passing through the dipole or along the dipole is called axial line. But now here equatorial line. Equatorial line means the line which is passing perpendicular to the dipole. Perpendicular to the dipole. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. So this is equatorial line. So here electric field value you want to find out at a point. At a point means anywhere on the equatorial line we should consider. Anywhere means from here or here, anywhere. But I consider here only point P. So here at point P we should keep plus 1 coulomb of charge. 1 coulomb of charge. So already we know that 1 coulomb means test charge value. So that value is positive. Here positive charge is there. This positive charge can be repulsive force between these two charges. Repulsive force can be exerted on positive charge. So that's why this is acting along outward direction like this way. So electric field due to this one. Why electric field means the force experienced by this charge on a test charge 1 coulomb, that is E plus Q. Same like that, here minus charge is there. This minus charge can be attracted towards the charge. Attracted towards means this arrow mark can be indicated. So because it is positive charge, it is negative charge, that's why it can be attracted. Next, basic thing is the length of the point or distance of the point from the center of the dipole is always we should consider r only. So this is fixed. So r is the distance from center of the dipole to point P. There also in axial point also same like that. Center of the dipole to point P distance is r we should consider. Same like that here. Center of the dipole to point P distance is r from here to here. Okay. Next one is here this electric field is making an angle theta here. Here also making an angle theta with the dipole. So this electric field is minus Q, right? So this electric field making an angle theta here. So that's why this is dividing two components or resolved into two components. One of the component is this one of the component. Another one is along the y-axis. So which one is horizontal component means here according to corresponding angles, this is theta means this one only theta. So theta, here theta, it is corresponding angle based on geometry. So it is theta means it is what component? Horizontal component. E plus Q is the resultant vector which resolve into two components. It is horizontal component. Horizontal component denoted by cos theta. That's why EQ cos theta. Same like that it is vertical component E plus Q sin theta. Same like that, this vector only should consider next. This vector resultant vector acting downward direction. That's why it is also divided into two components. It is one of the component, it is another component. But here, which one is horizontal, which one is vertical means, again we should observe here, it is theta. It is theta means it is theta. So this is alternating angle. Alternating angle means like Z shape means it is theta means it is theta. Like this, it is also theta means it is theta. So it is alternating angles. Corresponding angles means this is corresponding angles based on geometry. Same like it is corresponding angles, it is alternating angles. So now here again this is the resultant vector which is makes an angle theta here. That's why it is E minus Q cos theta. Same like that, it is vertical component along negative y-axis. So it is E minus Q sin theta. So this is the diagram. Next, it is two triangles are there. These two triangles are equal or similar triangles. Similar triangles means this is how much distance is there. It is also same distance. That's why this distance how much first we should calculate. This is hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So from right angle triangle, right angled triangle, it is considered AB dipole length, APO. So right angle triangle, APO only considered. So this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse we want how to calculate according to Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. It is general formula going to Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is what? A to P. So A to P whole square. Side means this has two sides. It is one of the side, it is another side. This side is R, this side is A. So anyone only should take first. So side, opposite side only consider. So R square plus it is adjacent side, so adjacent side square. So it is hypotenuse square, right? Next one is, so this side is R square plus A square, here also R square plus A square, but here only side means AP, so root over R square plus A square. So this is side of this triangle, right? Now here what we need to calculate means electric field due to positive charge and electric field due to negative charge first individually, then finally the electric field or resultant electric field due to this total dipole. First of all, electric field due to a charge plus Q at P. So plus Q charge electric field, how much it can be produces. So already we know that electric field formula. Electric field formula, general formula what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. R square means distance square from plus Q charge to point P. Distance is what? This one only. Root over R square plus A square. So now here it is also root over R square plus A square whole square. Distance sum from root over R square plus A square from A to P. But here formula is, here formula only I'll write here, is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. R means distance. So not this one, from here to here distance. So that is R. R means here according to diagram it is AP only will come. AP square. So AP means this one whole square. Square root to cancel. So square root cancel. Next one is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square plus A square. This is equation number 1. It is due to plus Q charge. Same like that. Next charge is what? Negative charge. Electric field due to a charge minus Q at P. So same procedure, but here minus q will come. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So how much distance is there? Same distance only, already we learned. So this is how much distance is there. This is also same distance. So it is q divided by bp square. So b to p distance. So whole square. So E minus Q is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So Q divided by BP value what? This one only. AP value and BP value both are same only. So root over R square plus A square. Why? Because similar triangles. That's why BP square means what? Root over R square plus A square whole square. Again same function will come. R square plus A square. This is equation number 2. So individual charges, electric field on P we calculated. So now total or resultant or net resultant electric field due to dipole at P. So due to these two charges acting, how much electric field here? So that only now we will calculate. So once we observe here, these vertical components E plus Q value, E minus Q value both are same. So that's why here this magnitude value both are same. That's why, but here direction once you observe, it is upward direction, it is downward direction, both are cancelled with each other. Next one is horizontal components also there. Horizontal components E plus Q cos theta, E minus Q cos theta both are in same direction. That's why this is adding up. So that is the rule according to vectors. So therefore, so at point P, vertical components E plus Q sin theta and E minus Q sin theta are equal and opposite direction. So cancelled. Next remaining what? Horizontal component. Horizontal components E plus Q cos theta, E minus Q cos theta are in same direction. Same direction means along positive x direction. So added up. So this is the resultant. So added up. Two horizontal components only acting same direction. That's why that is the resultant of this dipole at point P. So now we'll write same thing. So E net or E resultant is equal to E plus Q cos theta plus E minus Q cos theta. Already we know that E plus Q value equal to E minus Q value. That's why E net is equal to 2EQ cos theta. So 2 into EQ. Q value means what? This one. Minus Q or plus Q, anything, both are same functions. Once you observe here, 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R square plus A square. That only right. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square. Next cos theta. Once again observe diagram. Cos theta, this triangle only consider, otherwise this triangle only consider. Any triangle. Why? Because both are similar triangles. Cos function means what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is what? A. Hypotenuse is what? This one. This side is what? Root over R square plus A square. Otherwise it is only considered adjacent side means A. Hypotenuse means R square, root over R square plus A square. So that meaning is cos theta is equal to, here cos theta. So cos theta from the triangle, so A divided by root over R square plus A square. So this value is substitute here. So E net is equal to 2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square plus a square into cos theta value a divided by root over r square plus a square. Now 2 move inside, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into 2 move inside means 2a divided by r square plus a square. Here r square plus a square whole power 1 by 2. Why? Because square root is there, but here whole power 1 is there. So now r square plus a square whole power 1 plus 1 by 2. So now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into 2a divided by r square plus a square whole power 3 by 2. So it is E net value. So but here again remember, so length of the dipole length, how much ma? Small. So 2a is small, but a square is neglected. So this is the main point. So now a square is neglected means, so remaining equation is E net is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into 2a, already we know that. So we know that P is equal to q into 2a. So it is P. Q into 2a means P, dipole moment, divided by r square plus a square whole power 3 by 2 is there. But a square is neglected. Neglected meaning is nearly equal to 0. So remaining what? R square whole power 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Remaining 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught P divided by R cube. So it is E net. So this is the final electric field due to a dipole at point P. So up to here only theoretical question answer. So but if they mentioned vector form means, vector form is E net is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R cube. So or R cap. So why? Because minus is why. So already we know that, already we learned in previous question or previous concept. So dipole moment is always opposite to the electric field, or dipole moment is always direction of negative charge to positive charge. In diagram once you observe, so negative charge is there, it is positive charge is there. Dipole moment direction is like this direction, but here resultant electric field is right side, left to right, but dipole moment direction is right to left. So that's why it is minus we should consider. So dipole moment is minus. That's why P is minus. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you.